The Works Austin Healey 100S team car we're running is one of the handful of factory team race cars, out of a total factory build of 55 cars, built for competition in 1954 for Austin Healey Canada. The car has a Works Westlake ported and polished alloy cylinder head and inlet manifold with Weber DC03 carbs, and it really flies. It's the most original Works prepared car in existence. The car has had a full JD race preparation, as well as completing last year's Mille Miglia. For this year's event we've not detuned the engine, but just softened the shock absorbers. An exciting car to drive with fantastic provenance.